Hi everybody, happy Friday. It's nice and warm outside, so I hope you're getting some time outside. And Sunday is Mother's Day, so make sure you tell your mother how much you love her and do something nice for her. Today's book is If You Give a Dog a Donut. I've been spending some time with my dogs. They're tired right now. They've been outside chasing a ball for the last hour. So this is an inspiration of my dogs. If you give a dog a donut, he'll ask for some apple juice to go with it. When you give him the juice, he'll drink it all up. Then he'll ask for more. There won't be any left, so he'll want to make his own. He'll go outside to pick apples. When he's up in the tree, he'll toss you one. Throwing the apples will make him think of baseball. He'll want to play. Dogs do like to catch balls. Some dogs. You'll have to get a ball and a glove. Of course, he'll also need a bat. He'll ask you to pitch. He'll hit a home run. Then he'll do a happy dance to celebrate. Dancing will make him hot and dusty, so he'll need some water. He'll probably start a water fight. You'll have to dry him off with your bandana. He'll wrap it around his head and pretend he's a pirate. Then he'll want to go on a treasure hunt. He'll find an old kite and want to make one himself. You'll have to get him some sticks, paper, and string. When the kite is finished, he'll want to fly it. It will go higher and higher. Until it gets tangled in the apple tree. The tree will remind him of apple juice, so he'll probably ask you for some. And chances are, if he asks for some apple juice, he'll want a donut to go with it. Have a wonderful weekend, and I'll see you on Monday.